not going to get too detailed on this. This is a Tote Vision LED TV monitor. I was moving around in the office and got snagged on the door. So the composite videoing broke. Composite goes right here. I already removed the header here. Remove the output because we're not going to use it. And basically, it just fits on there and there. You just have to heat one pin at a time and stick a screwdriver behind there and wiggle it back and forth, and just use patience because you're just getting a fraction of a millimeter of in, out, in, out, in, out until it's finally out. Now I got to clean this up, restall and reflow this, and then test it. Alright, got it seated back in there. Already fluxed. That's back on there. I'm gonna put it together and test it. Alright, got video now. Go ahead. Yeah, it finally focused itself. So, call that fixed. You kind of see the header back there.